What is going on, guys? So, if you in the Columbus, Ohio area, I am taking orders to repair computers or build you computer. Uh, the only thing about building the computer is you're gonna need the parts because I don't have any parts yet. But if you have the parts, I'll build you the computer. But if that sounds good to you, just hit me up on hit the channel up on Facebook and leave a message on the Facebook Messenger for for the channel, and I'll get back to you. Catch you guys later. Stay tuned. I have an unboxing of speakers. See you in a little.